Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afra, and today we're going to learn how to make a spin box. So here, as you guys can see, we already made it. So, because today I'm gonna explain it. Okay. So you know this part up to here, you know. Well, here's actually where we make the spin box from line 7. So spin box equals to tk.spinbox. Whenever you're making a variable button, no message box, spin box, list box, and more. After a dot, you have to put a capital. Then the rest are small. Spin box brackets from underscore equals to 1 to 100 equals to 100. Basically means that your from underscore means it's the starting range. So it can't go beyond 0. And then 2 equals to 100, TO, right? That means it's going to be the ending range. You can't go beyond that. And then spinbox.packed and window.main should work. This is a quick video, okay, guys? Like this. See? It all the way goes up to 100. And you can write 0 here. Goes back to 1. 1,000 here. Goes back to 100. See? So this spin box would be fun to do, as you guys can see here. Okay? So spin box like basically means like I think you guys use this from a starting range to an ending range. We use that in the random library, I think. Yeah, we did use that in the random library, but this is a different way and it's GUI. You can't forget that, okay? So thank everyone for listening about how to create a spin box. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and